Advanced Innovation Group, LA 9001. Through this video, we shall attempt to explain the auditable component of the ISO 9001 Clause 6.1. Clause 6, Planning, 6.1, Actions to address risks and opportunities. Audit Guide ISO 9001, 2015, Clause 6.1. Objective: to ensure the organization has a structured approach to risk-based thinking that supports achieving intended results, enhancing positive effects, reducing negatives, and driving improvement. Audit questions, aligned with 6.1.1. Requirement, sample audit questions. Consider issues from Clause 4.1. How do you incorporate external and internal issues into planning? Can you show risk registers or assessments linked to those issues? Consider needs from Clause 4.2. How do stakeholder requirements influence your risk and opportunity planning? Determine risks, share opportunities. What are the major risks and opportunities that could affect your QMS? How were they identified? A. Ensure QMS achieves intended results. How do these actions help ensure process or QMS goals are achieved? B. Enhance desirable effects. What positive outcomes do you aim to maximize? How are opportunities captured? C. Prevent/reduce undesired effects. What controls or preventive actions are in place to mitigate identified risks? D. Achieve improvement. Can you show examples of improvements that came from addressing a risk or opportunity? Evidence to look for: risk and opportunity register, SWOT or PESTLE analysis linked to planning, departmental or process level risk assessments, preventive action plans, opportunity improvement projects, inputs from management review and strategic planning linkages to quality objectives or performance indicators, evidence that risk-based actions are implemented and reviewed. Common nonconformities. Number nonconformity. Example: 1. No formal identification of risks, opportunities, no risk register or any record of what risks were considered. 2. Risks not linked to Clause 4.1 or 4.2. Risk log is generic and doesn't refer to actual context or stakeholder needs. 3. Actions not defined or implemented. Risks are listed, but no mitigation or opportunity action plans are in place. 4. Risks reviewed only during audits or not at all. No regular review mechanism, e.g., during management reviews. 5. No evidence of risk-based thinking at operational level. Employees unaware of any risk-based controls in their area. Tips for auditing. Clause 6.1. Ask department heads or process owners to identify at least one key risk and opportunity relevant to their function. Check how risk-based planning is connected to quality objectives or process performance monitoring. Verify if the organization has a mechanism to review and update risks periodically. Ensure risks and opportunities are not treated just as compliance tasks, but as tools for business improvement. 1. Risk and Opportunity Register Template. You can use this register to capture, assess, and track actions for risks and opportunities as per ISO 9001:2015, Clause 6.1. ID process, area, risk or opportunity, source, Clause 4.1/4.2, impact, likelihood, risk rating, high, medium, low, actions planned, taken, owner, status, R01, procurement, delay in vendor delivery, external issue, supplier, high, medium, high, develop alternate vendor list, procurement head, in progress. ID process area, risk or opportunity, source, Clause 4.1/4.2, impact, likelihood, risk rating, high, medium, low, actions planned, taken, owner, status, 001 customer service, opportunity to implement live chat support, interested party, customers, medium, high, high, pilot live chat on website, marketing team, completed. 1. Risk and Opportunity Register Template. Clause reference audit requirement, audit questions, evidence to look for, conformity, yes, no, remarks/NCR 6.11. Consider internal and external issues. Clause 4.1. How have internal-external issues influenced your risk planning? SWOT, PESTLE, context analysis documents. 6.11. Consider interested party requirements. Clause 4.2. What needs expectations of stakeholders have created risks or opportunities? Stakeholder map, customer feedback, regulatory reviews. 6.11. Identify risks and opportunities. What major risks and opportunities have been identified? Risk and opportunity. Register risk assessment templates.ai. Ensure quality management system achieves intended results. How do these actions ensure processes achieve their targets? KPI alignment, mitigation plans. B. Enhance desirable effects. How do you take advantage of potential gains or improvements? Opportunity logs, innovation or project plans. C. Prevent or reduce undesired effects. What controls or actions are in place to reduce negative outcomes? Preventive actions, controls in SOPs, error-proofing methods. D. Achieve improvement. Can you share improvements made from risk opportunity analysis? Project records, change management logs. Rating tip. Use a simple impact X likelihood scale, e.g. 1 to 5, or color code, red, amber, green.